Most women get the squat wrong in one specific way, and it's the reason your glutes aren't growing and your knees might be hurting. Here's the fix. I've trained women for 10 years, and the squat is the exercise I see done incorrectly more than any other. The biggest mistake, letting your knees cave inward on the way up, and it's costing you results and risking injury. Today I'm showing you 4 squat variations and exactly how to fix your form on each one. If you want to pair this with a full workout, I've got my Unilateral Dumbbell Workout already on this channel. Here's 3 tips that you can practice every week to deepen your squat. Tip number 1, use a chair or a box to practice depth. Stand in front of a chair or box, hold onto something for balance if you need to, and slowly lower yourself down until you touch the chair. Then drive back up. This teaches your body what a proper deep squat actually feels like without the fear of falling backward. Do this every single week and watch your squat depth improve dramatically over time. Tip number 2, elevate your heels. Place a small plate, a book, or a folded mat under your heels before you squat. This immediately improves your depth, takes pressure off your ankles, and helps your knees track correctly. It is a game changer, especially for women who feel their heels want to lift off the floor when they squat deep. Tip number 3, hold on to a chair or table to balance yourself. Then lower yourself and squat deep into your heels. Remember, 2 seconds down, 2 seconds hold, 2 seconds up. Master these 3 things first before you even add dumbbells. A deep bodyweight squat with perfect form will always beat a heavy squat with poor form. Now let's get into the 4 variations. Normal squat, feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly out. 2 seconds down, 2 seconds hold, 2 seconds up. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Common mistake, knees caving in, push them out, track over your toes. Sumo squat, wide stance, toes turned out further. Same, 2 seconds down, 2 seconds at the bottom, 2 seconds up tempo. This targets inner thighs and glutes more directly. Common mistake, not sitting low enough, chase depth here. Goblet squat, hold a dumbbell at your chest. Elbows track inside your knees as you descend. Same tempo. This one naturally corrects the knee position because the weight forces better posture. Narrow squat, feet closer than hip width. Same tempo. This shifts more emphasis to the quads. Common mistake, leaning too far forward, keep your chest up. Mind muscle cue for all 4. Before every rep, think knees out, chest up, squeeze at the top. Don't just move the weight, feel the muscle doing the work. That is it. 4 squat variations fixed. Try all 4 next time you train legs and notice the difference in how your glutes actually feel working. This is part of my Master Your Form series. I've also got a full back training video on this channel if you want more of these. New form breakdowns and workouts drop every week, so stay subscribed so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video and keep showing up for yourself.